I've been a wild rover for many's a year, and I spent all me money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I never will play a wild rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never. No,
I play.
will I play a wild rover? No, never, no more. I went into an alehouse.
Although you're hard as goat.
And I told the landlady me money was spent.